Hello everyone. In this video, I am giving the quick introduction about the user interface of the AutoCAD. Now begin this. Here are the quick access toolbar, and this it is the icon of the AutoCAD, and this is the application. We say it as the application button, and this is the ribbon area, and these are the file tabs. Here we can see the info bars, and these are the view cubes, and these are the navigation bars. By navigation bars we can see the views, and these are the pan and zoom in zoom out, and this is the view cube, and this one is the selection cursor, and these are the status bar toggles, and this one is the command line or palette. Here we can give the command, or it gives us the instructions to what we can do next. And these are the layout tabs, and this one is the UCS. It gives us the coordinate systems, and this one is the drawing area. In the application button, we find all these quick access tools only. Here it is the new file open and open file. If we have already existing another file, we have to open this. So click on here, and this one is a save button, save as. All these are the tools of the quick access toolbars. And in this ribbon area, we will be having the home, insert, annotate, parametric, view, manage, output, add-ins, collaborate, featured apps, express tools. These are the tools we will be having to modify or create a plan or any drawing. And this one is the user interface of the AutoCAD. Before learning the AutoCAD, we have to have the knowledge of the user interface and what are the tools on the user interface. Okay, thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have liked the